a walk around the neighborhood. So these homes are made by Northlander, which is a company based out of Ontario. These are prefab homes. Some of them have enclosed porch, which enlarges the living area on the side. It's great. So standard is actually the 12 feet here you can see, and then the extension to the side adds extra living space, of course at an extra cost. Here you can see there are two modules, one there and one there attached. So this one, I think standard size is roughly about 500 square feet. So if you add that, you're looking at about probably over 800 square feet altogether. So it's nice. These modular homes have different configurations inside. And surprisingly, even though these homes are about 10 years old, they look reasonably well maintained and doesn't actually look too old on the outside, even though it's technically 10 years old. So this would be a standard setup here, number 69, with a wide deck, wooden deck on the side, and about 500 square feet of living space, 2 bedrooms. That's a standard. This one looks like it's very large. Looks like this one is probably over 800 square feet there. So it was supposed to rain today, at least in the forecast yesterday. So far, it's just overcast. Thank God for that. So I'm gonna go into the beach and the dock. So this is Godfrey's Lane. So that's there's a little playground and gym area up the street. We're on the Point Drive. That's forest. So Godfrey's Lane kind of divides forest and point. And here's the beach. I like the glass railing. So these ones here on the forest, they don't back onto the water. Only the ones on Point Drive actually backs onto water. These one actually backs on a forest. I guess maybe that's why the name Forest Drive. So a few boats here, docked here. Looks like a lot of pontoons. Some of them you can rent. The pontoons are $600 for the day. Ooh, something's buzzing over my head. So shallow water. A couple of Muskoka chairs. Yep, I guess that's about it. Very small swimming area, or might be more like a splashing area. couple of you can actually rent some of the fishing boats too. Yeah, and oops, I think you can rent non-motor or use non-motorized boats over there. Let's check out what they have. I think they have canoes and kayaks that you can use. Oh, there's a fishing dock too. But of course I forgot to bring my fishing gear, of course. So, oh, there's a camera. A fishing dock. Let's see if there's any fish. Oh, I think these are the fishing boats you can rent. They're pretty cheap. I mean, they're both cheap to rent and cheap looking. No, a lot of pontoons here. I guess you can fish here on the dock. It's pretty relatively deep already. So I think these are one of the ones that you can borrow. I think they call this a paddle boat. Interesting. Guess you can do some exercise with the paddle boat. Oh wow, a lot of pontoons here. It's crazy. Almost every row there's a pontoon. Okay, let's go check out the gym and the playground area. So we're gonna walk on Godfrey's Lane. Very peaceful here. Very quiet. Not a lot of mosquitoes and flies because with the screened doors and the enclosure blocked out a lot of the insects. So I don't know. It seems okay. I think my friend Kun Kim said there were a lot of mosquitoes and flies. I guess 2 weeks ago. I don't know. Maybe they all died off. Morning. So there are people that parks their boats here. And then there's a playground and swimming pool as well. There's a gym on the left side, if you're so inclined. This is the pool area. This is the basketball court, tennis court, hockey, I guess whatever you want it to be. Splash pad, I guess. Not sure. And then another fire pit for more people, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, it's nice. It's a nice little setup here. Things are quite well maintained. Beautiful place here, and golf course is just up the street, overlooking Rice Lake. Yeah, so this is a brief look in phase 1 of Bellmere Winds Resort. Hope you like it.